Hello everyone, my name is Shakti Prasad Mohanty. I did in the Public School Competative Class UKG. Today I am going to telling a story. The story name is A Lesson from Nature. One day a boy was playing in a garden. He was running after butterflies and trying to catch them. He was very happy to see the colorful flowers. Then he saw a frog skipping and jumping. When he ran behind the frog, he jumped into the pot. Then he saw how the cow chewing the grass. A fly then come there and burst over the cow. The boy was laughed and laughed. The boy was enjoying the beauty of nature. Then he saw a squirrel and ran after it and reached near the bed of roses. The boy tried to pluck some roses, but a thorn pierced his finger. The boy was started crying and ran to his house. His mother asked him, "Why are you crying?" The boy said, "A thorn approach pierced my finger while I was plucking it." The mother said, "It is your mistake. We should not have tried to pluck the flowers. Flowers to be seen, not to be plucked. We should always help to maintain our nature." The son said, "Okay, Mama. So children, we should help. We should protect all